from RX Communications New Zealand team. Last time we talked about the importance of choosing the right Congress for an abstract and discussed how vital this first selection is in ensuring your research get the exposure it deserves. After the successful first-time presentation of your abstract, you may decide to share your work with a wider audience. It's time to encore. So, what's an encore abstract? Like an encore in the theatre or at a concert, an encore abstract is an additional performance of the original. The encore abstract is a reproduction of the abstract's original presentation with minor changes in line with the encore Congress guidelines, and its purpose is to communicate the same clinical data to diverse audiences for whom it is applicable. Why do we encore abstracts? The first original presentation of data is not always accessible to all the relevant audiences or in the required language. We encore to communicate data to HCPs and medical communities who were unable to attend the Global Congress but who are very interested in learning about the latest scientific developments relevant to their therapeutic area. Can the content change in an encore abstract? Almost always no. The encore is to share the same information with the new audiences. This is a repeat performance. It should not contain new or additional data or interpretations or adapt the original presented data, nor should the author list and order be changed. With the exception of the presenting first author and as required by the encore Congress, the original abstract may be translated for the encore and editorial and format changes, such as to the word count, achieved by the careful editing of the text of the abstract are allowed. Fortunately, there are guidelines to help the perfect encore abstract. The Good Publication Practice GPP guidelines, known as GPP3. In summary, GPP3 advises: 1. You will need to avoid the presentation of the same finding to the same audience. 2. You can present some research findings at more than one conferences provided both the first and the subsequent conferences allows. Third, you also mentioned that the presentation is an encore and list where the previous abstract or the findings were presented. 4. You will need to follow the conference guidelines when considering adding new data to a previously accepted abstract. 5. Means of identifying encore abstracts required to be mentioned on the abstract submission form should not include in the abstract word or character count. 6th, encores must say that this is not the first time of presentation. 7th, authors should consider when deciding whether to submit an encore abstract. What is that overlap? Example, different regions of the world, types of healthcare professionals. Any differences in licensing the status of any product mentioned in the presentation. Then presentation at multiple meetings might delay and potentially jeopardize the complete publication of research in a peer-reviewed journal. And encore abstract should remain as close to the original abstract as possible. Therefore, avoid rewording, remove background text carefully and with an explanatory comment, rather than rewording the sections to reduce the word count. Pay particular attention to the use of abbreviation to cut down word character count. These should only be introduced if absolutely necessary. A final word on copyright. Be sure that you have the permission to encode the abstract. Just because your work does not always mean you can encode it as you will. Sometimes a medical congress will require the transfer of ownership of the original work to them. They invariably will always allow the encore presentation of the work, but they express permission for the one-time reuse of that work at the encore venue could be required. Always check and avoid inadvertent copyright infringement, and don't forget to download the checklist for the encore abstract publication process below. Let me know in comments what you think of an encore abstract. Remember, if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and little bell icon to get notified when we publish a new video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.